Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. First, let's open the settings application and after that scroll down to the wallpaper section. Then you can see here the folders where you can change your new wallpaper. That can be your local photos from your device or downloaded from the internet, or also you can use live wallpaper or just default photos. And if you want to use the online wallpapers, first be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data, and after that you can just use this online wallpapers. Now I'll show you how to use the default wallpaper. Just click here to the pre-installed and select, for example, let's use this wallpaper. Tap to apply and set as lock screen. Now we can see here the message that this wallpaper applied successfully to the lock screen. Let's check, and yeah, we can see that we have changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just hold for a while or just slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and on the left down corner you will see here the wallpaper icon. Just click here, and now by the same way we can select these wallpapers or the online. For example, let's use, we can't connect to the network. Let's first connect to the Wi-Fi in my case. So now let's use this. I'll just enter the password out of screen. Here just tap to connect, and now let's go back to the wallpapers here. Now we can use this wallpaper or just another one. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply and click set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.